Here we go.
So, Mark, I'm going to start rolling, but we're videoing it, so.
Okay, we're.
Alright, so at this point, we've taken all the soil off the Phalaenopsis orchid. You'll see these two, brown, stems. These are dead, so we're going to go ahead and cut these off. This is no problem. I'm going to leave one of them, so it'll be easy to
maneuver?
Yeah, to maneuver. Thank you,
okay,
Becky.
great,
Yeah.
great.
So you see how these are green, these green roots, these are so excellent. This is going to be very helpful.
I'm very excited about that. When's it going to bloom again?
Probably another 6 to 7 months.
Oh, no, I don't want to wait that long, literally.
But we've already, ran, hot water over these, so we've kind of, sterilized them.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and kit off these black roots. These aren't doing anything but sucking energy. So we're just basically going to cut everything off that will be detracting from the health of the plant.
Okay.
So you see this? There's see how this is still green, this is still
so you
good.
leave that on.
We leave that on. So see how this is dead? Go ahead and cut that off. No problem. So at this point you see how there are there's still a little bit more roots that could be taken off. So at this point now all we have left is this. So we'll just cut this off. And these orchids actually grew in trees. So they're epiphytic, which means they live without soil, basically, in the canopies of trees. So at this point we're just going to take a pot, which I've washed out all the soil, and we're going to put some of this sphagnum moss. We're just going to take bundles of this moss and pack them around the plant, and then we'll be replanting.
Wow.
Just that easy.
Cool.
We'll take this and see how airy this potting material is. It needs it because as earlier I stated that this is an epiphytic plant. It needs to have an airy soil, but it needs also to be compact. So it likes smaller places to live in, the roots. So we're gonna pack this in about this much soil, and then it'll be happy. We'll water this approximately every 7 to 10 days, depending on the soil. We'll do the pull test. If it can be like this, then maybe it could take a couple more days of no water, but let it dry out intermittently, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the repotting of a Phalaenopsis orchid. Thank you, Melissa Allen.